Hi everybody, today's video is about sound, especially the Stage PartyFree S2 speaker. This is of course a Bluetooth speaker, and one special thing about it is the LEDs which are Bluetooth. But before we get to this, let's see what was in the box. So now that it is unpacked, we will just turn it on by pressing this button here.
Bluetooth.
And it initially connects via Bluetooth. We will then scan on our phone, and then we will find it already, the PartyFree 2 down there. And we will simply click here. And that's it. Now we are connected to the speaker, and we just start to play something. So this thing gets really loud. At half the volume, it was already more than enough for me. We can also use the buttons here for play and pause. We can skip forward or also simply back. Back on the first song. So that's good. We have all this control panel here. The volume control is here. Here we can, as I said before, pause and skip. This button adjusts the lighting. We have different modes here, like this rainbow RGB lighting here. I will now just one time turn off all the lights here.
Echoes of your name in lights. We're a glitch in paradise. Falling fast, but I feel fine. Caught inside your love design. Your love syndrome.
So I took the speaker out with me now, and let's one time see how it will operate out here. So first of all, turn it on. The beautiful
Bluetooth.
opening animation with the LEDs. Now I will connect my iPhone to it. Already happened. Let's play some music on it.
Lights, they're shining so bright. We're gonna dance through the night. Hands up, feeling the heat. Move your body to the beat. Step by step, we start to glide. In this moment, we can't hide. Music's pumping and hearts are racing. Let's keep this party never ending. We're dancing in the stars tonight, higher than the moon. Taking flight, feel the rhythm, feel the vibe. Together we can touch the sky. We're dancing in the stars tonight, higher than the moon. Taking flight, feel the rhythm.
So another look at the different ports which we have here. USB-C, USB-A, line in, headphone jack, and a microphone port for karaoke sessions. If you are a fan of this kind of stuff, you have a voice for this. I certainly do not have. So I don't have my Nintendo Switch here. An audio cable, plug it in the auxiliary port, and then we will take the Switch system here. There's no internal audio. And we will just put it in the headphone jack here. Here we will click on the button here, which will change the port.
FM Mode. Also gerade in Zeiten, in
FM
denen auch
Mode.
das transatlantische Bündnis stark an
Auxiliary in.
Oh yeah, the audio from your switch here works out. There's another little comparison how it sounds like this. And the internal speaker, of course, is a huge difference. But of course, we can also just connect it via Bluetooth.
Bluetooth pairing.
Now we have to set me up. Now we can control it here. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.0, it connects to almost every Bluetooth device. We can connect to our TV, computer, laptop, whatever you have. The stereo pairing is also an option if you have two of those devices. Unfortunately, I just have one, so I can't test this out. It claims to have a 12-hour playtime, so the battery should be strong enough to keep you through a long party session. And with just 10 minutes of charging, you will get back 15 minutes of playback. And also, you can charge your own devices with a speaker using it as a power bank. If you are an old school person who
FM Mode.
likes to listen to radio still,
nur zu Hause verarbeiten und für sich selbst verarbeiten. Und das finde ich eigentlich krass, dass das
you can
sozusagen
use as a radio.
ich
You have the FM button here for this.
Politik sind und wir Männer, die Väter werden, hätten können.
Als wir heute Morgen darüber diskutiert haben, habe ich tatsächlich überlegt.
So what can be said about the portability options? It is of course one main aspect. We have the little handle here. It is not really that heavy. It has a good weight to it, but not too much. The handle does a good job. We can remove it also if we want. If you don't like the handle, you can just remove it like this and easily attach it again. I think the sound is quite nice from it. It has also a little bit boom to it. Maybe not the strongest bass, but it is good enough in my eyes for a party. If you are within a little group, if you have two of those speakers, you can connect them, also have a stereo setup. Since it has a USB-A port, you might think, does this thing also charge other devices? Just take my phone here, plug it in, and you can see up there it is charging. So you can power up other devices, but you can also just power it up yourself with a power bank, for example. Now I plug in the power bank inside this thing, and you can see here on the red dots that it is charging up. So I think it is a really good option for on the go. It is available for around 80 to 90 euros most of the time. I think for this price, most options sound are around the same level. There might be options out there which sound probably better also, but then you won't have this cool party effect. And we also got an IPX5 waterproof rating and shock resistant. If you have it near the pool, it should not be an issue. Just don't take it for a dive. This will probably not end well. And if you have two of them, you can connect them, use them as test speakers, maybe for your TV, and then you can just take them outside and have even better sound. You can connect a microphone for a karaoke party if you're into this stuff. This thing has some good features, good options for you. I have all the links in the description below. So if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, would be really nice. A subscription to the channel would be even better for me. And more camera comparisons are coming your way. So let's see us in the next video.